I'm making coffee. Yoo-hoo. It's cappuccino. Come to breakfast.
Veggie dal.
Oh wow. Perfect.
What do they have
So
here?
much food.
Omelette.
Omelette.
Strips. Chicken breakfast sausage.
Fried wonton, baked bean, mashed potato. So there are also the fruit here. Yan yung gusto ni Bombadero. Watermelon. Sambal. Rindang. Uy, my favorite. Nasi. May bulad. Sauce. Ay, ang sarap. Noodle soup. Ayan yung mga ano. So, ito naman. Yes. Perfect.
Porridge.
Porridge. Ano ito ta? Uy.
Cheese,
Yan.
cold cuts.
Mariosep. Ayan.
Bit of veggies. Oh, fresh juice.
Dami pagkain na yun. It's the coffee mixed with everything. Soya bean. Basta, bahala mo dira. Uy, detox water they have.
Sit over
This.
there. Sit there.
Okay. Where? Available.
Yeah, you just sit here.
Okay, I'll sit here. Yun yung chef nila.
All the bread's over there.
Bread over there. I do not know what to eat because they have so much food.